Do you know you can use Claude right within M365 Copilot if you have the licensed version? In fact, there are 7 ways to use Claude within Copilot. Let me show you all these 7 places. Before you begin, few things you must know. First, you must use it on a browser so that you always get the latest features. Make sure you enable the new design so that you get the latest UI or user interface. Second, you must have a premium or paid Copilot license. How do you know that? Log into Copilot and you will see premium written next to it. And third, Claude must be enabled centrally by your IT team. The technical details and the link is in the description. The first place is in Copilot Chat. There is a model selector dropdown. By default, it is on auto, so most people don't even open it. But when you do, you'll be surprised to see Claude and that too Sonnet as well as Opus. Now you can choose whichever you like. Similarly, under GPT, we are seeing 5.6 and 5.5. Now remember, what I'm showing you is as of 29 July 2026. AI models move very fast. So depending on when you're watching the video, open the auto drop down and then look at which models are currently available and choose the correct one depending on your requirement. So here is a simple guide which shows you the requirement, what is the kind of prompt you're putting, and which model is ideally suited for it. The next place is Researcher. Like Chat, Researcher also has an auto model selection dropdown. Ideally, I would recommend you should start using Critic. What does that do? Whatever prompt you give it, it first goes to GPT. GPT creates the response, then that response is given to Claude. Claude will cross check it, refine it, and then you get the results. So it's like a best of both worlds approach. Mind you, in order to do this, you don't need to subscribe separately to either GPT or Claude. It's all being handled by Microsoft. No worry about tokens, no worry about context window. The next one is Model Council. The same prompt is given separately to GPT and Claude. You can see their responses. And then Copilot will also give you a summary. And finally, if you only want to use Claude, of course, you can explicitly select that. From a practical standpoint, which one to use when? Here is a table. You can pause and have a look. A summary file containing all the model selection tables you can download. Link is in the description. Now let's go to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When you go to Copilot inside Excel, you'll see the familiar auto drop-down. Now we can explicitly choose a specific model version. Again, the same issue arises, which model to use when. This is the table which explains the use cases. Similarly, in Word, in edit mode, we have model selection, Opus, Sonnet. In PowerPoint edit mode, we have similar options with extensive control over the model selection. In addition, in PowerPoint, we also get to choose the image generation models. In my experience, as of today, I have found GPT Image 2 to be the best. Next, let's look at Word, Excel, PowerPoint agents. Now, what is the use? Let's say I'm in a chat. I have got the output of chat as text and tables and all that. But then I realized I want to create a PowerPoint presentation. So now what do? You click on the plus sign or type @ or use add capabilities and invoke the PowerPoint agent. So instead of copy pasting this output to PowerPoint, you brought PowerPoint here. Now in this agent mode, internally, implicitly it uses Claude models. Same thing works in Word and Excel agents as well. Next, let's see Copilot Studio. This is where you create more sophisticated agents. So I've just created an agent, given it a name, and down below, you will see the agent model selection drop down. And here you can see all the latest models. So what's the benefit of using Claude like this inside Copilot? Well, one, it is fully integrated with Microsoft platform. Second, it's covered under Microsoft Enterprise Data Protection. What exactly that means, I have given a link, but basically your data is safe. And third benefit is you're getting access to the latest Claude models, so you get best of all worlds by using this approach. To summarize, there are many ways of using Claude within Copilot. All this without any additional subscription to Claude. Then we have co-work, but that's a different ballgame because whatever you do in co-work is at an additional cost. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Share it with everyone and give me your comments. I work with a lot of customers globally and help them improve their efficiency using Copilot and Microsoft platform. If you would like me to conduct sessions for your organization, let me know. My contact details are in the description. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.